Okay, holistic travel guy here, and welcome to Siesta Key Village on Siesta Key in Sarasota, Florida. Siesta Key Village welcomes you, and we're going to just do a very brief walking tour of Siesta Key Village. Tourist shops, restaurants, bars, t-shirt shops, and ice cream, and hotels. There's the beach resort hotel, Siesta Key Beach Resort Hotel. There's the Fudge Factory. There's the Blase Cafe and Martini Bar. There's the beautiful pinkish, purplish Fudge Factory. And there's a nice map of Siesta Key Village with all the highlighted restaurants and tourist shops. September, the daytime highs are still in the 90s, and the water temperature during our swim this morning was absolutely beautiful. There's the Daiquiri Deck Raw Bar. Actually had a friend that used to work there. Daiquiri Deck Raw Bar, and you can get lobster fondue for $15.99. Grilled sirloin steak salad for $14.99, shaved ribeye tacos for $15.99, and mahi mahi on a sandwich for $13.99. And there's where a lot of people drink at night. This plexiglass screen is opened up, and the bar opens right out to the street here. Across the street is Gilligan's restaurant with the tiki style roof, and that's another tourist favorite spot. And then right next door to Daiquiri Deck is Gidget's, selling all kinds of beautiful glassware and ceramic ware, and some shirts and hats, beach kind of stuff. Right next to that is the SKOB, Siesta Key Oyster Bar, kind of a little bit famous. Heard of them before. And there's their menu and prices. SKOB Classics, SKOB Classics, Siesta Key Extravaganza for $25, Seafood Tower for $44, Shrimp and Penny Pasta a la Vodka for $16, Roasted Chicken for $19. So once again, Siesta Key Village is a little bit pricey. Right next door is the Sandal Factory. Across the street is Subway, Boulevard Beachwear, and another t-shirt shop. Ripfire Pizza and Barbecue is next. Looks like a newish little cafe bistro restaurant. People can sit here on bar stools right on the bar, overlooking the street, to eat their pizza and barbecue. And there's their very brief menu of thin crust pizza, $10 to $13, barbecue pork platters for $13, and beer, wine, ice cream, and snacks. Next to that is Bonjour French Cafe. And then some gelato and tarot card readings. Next to that, you can have your tarot card reading done while you're eating gelato, right back there. And this little mini plaza, there's the gelato, and there's another island boutique. And then next to that is Island Trader with some more clothing, mostly for ladies. Created Gems next to that with jewelry, and that's cool, flip-flop necklaces for $19.95. Never saw anything quite like that before. Flip-flop necklaces for $19.95, and palm tree necklaces $19.95, and that beautiful opal ring for $63. Another ice cream place next to that called Big Olaf. Big Olaf has a purple theme also. They also sell fudge. And then there's beautiful pink ice cream cone, which is dripping. It's melting. Homemade ice cream and homemade cones. Next to that is another ice cream cake place, organic gelato, made in Rome. That's pretty cool. Organic gelato. Island Styles t-shirts next to that. And then there's another pub called My Village Pub, or for short it's MVP Village Pub. MVP Pub. There you go. There's their menu right there. They have $3 Dos Equis drafts all day every Saturday for you football lovers. And then we're going to cross the street over to the Lobster Pot. Lobster Pot is here. And then there's some mini donuts over here next to that, on the corner of Canal Road and Ocean Boulevard. Lobster Pot menu is right in front of us. Right there you can get a bowl of soup for $8.99. Add lobster chunks, an extra $4. A garlic ranch house salad is $11.99. Sweet clam strips are $9.99. And there's the rest of the menu. There's the mini donut place.
Those are all like orders of 6, right?
Door to that is the Morton Siesta Market. Morton's is kind of famous in Sarasota. They have another store downtown. Healthy foods. There's a sea shanty trinket shop with selling hats, flip-flops, sunglasses, suntan oil, t-shirts, decorative lawn ornaments, and things like that you take home after your beach vacation. And then Morton's Market, where you can get groceries and also prepared food for your beach snacks, is right next to that. Morton Siesta Market. They've got a gourmet market downtown next to the Sarasota Memorial Hospital. And then Siesta Village Liquors is next to Morton's. And then we'll cross the street again and head back to the car on